Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be closing out Paycheck 2 and doing a breakdown on Paycheck 3. If you are interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So let's get started and let's see how we did. In our expense category, we budgeted $179.78 for our chiropractor, $83.88 for YouTube TV, $71.40 for Google Fiber, $55.64 for our home alarm, $24.83 for Netflix, $16.19 for Amazon Prime, $16.15 for Audible, and $16 for YouTube Premium. That came up to a total of $463.87. In our actual category, we paid $179.78 to our chiropractor, $83.88 to YouTube TV, $71.40 for Google Fiber, $55.64 for our home alarm, $24.83 for Netflix, $16.19 for Amazon Prime, $16.15 for Audible, and $15.25 for YouTube Prime, which was a difference of 75 cents. That came up to a total of $463.12, which was a difference of 75 cents. We budgeted $530 for our cash envelopes, $575 for our sinking funds, $150 for our savings challenges, $50 for our extra backup money, $500 for our extra payment, and $250 for our backup funds. That came up to $2,055. In our actual category, we spent $485 in our cash envelopes, which was a difference of $45, $575 in our sinking funds, $150 in our savings challenges, $50 in our extra backup money, $500 in extra payment, and $250 in our backup funds. That came up to a total of $2,010, which was a difference of $45. In our income versus our expenses, we estimated our income to be $2,861.45, minus the expenses of $463.87, minus the cash envelopes of $530, minus the sinking funds of $575, minus the savings challenges of $150, minus the extra backup money and the extra payment of $550, and minus the backup funds of $250. That left a remainder of $342.58. In our actual category, our income was $2,861.45, minus the expenses of $463.12, which was a difference of 75 cents, minus the cash envelopes of $485, which was a difference of $45, minus the sinking funds of $575, minus the savings challenges of $150, minus the extra backup money and the extra payment of $550, and minus the backup funds of $250. That left a remainder of $388.33, which was a total savings of $47.75. For our paycheck from July the 19th through July the 25th in our expense category, we budgeted $325 for our phone bill, $37.55 for our meds, $7.62 for HP Inc., and $1.99 for Google storage. That came up to a total of $372.16. We budgeted $490 for our cash envelopes, $350 for our sinking funds, $60 for our savings challenges, $20 for our extra backup money, and $150 for our backup funds. That came up to $1,070. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $1,572.35, minus the expenses of $372.16, minus the cash envelopes of $490, minus the sinking funds of $350, minus the savings challenges of $60, minus the extra backup money of $20, and minus the backup funds of $150. That left a remainder of $130.19. So fam, we did pretty good at staying on budget this week, and I am proud of myself for that. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and joining the family. We'd love to have you. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.